Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off desktop notifications for Slack in Google Chrome. So to do this, you want to go to the lower left hand side on Slack and you want to go to the preferences after clicking on your account there. Here you'll find notifications and here you can choose to turn off by choose nothing. And this simply will not allow you to receive notifications, right? So you will not be notified. But if you want to totally remove it out of the Google Chrome browser, then you can just leave this whatever and then follow the steps that I'm about to share with you. So what you want to do, just simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side in Chrome, go to settings at the lower right hand side here, and simply click on privacy and security. Go to the site settings at the bottom. Now you want to find notifications, click on that. Scroll down and you will find under allow to send notifications, the Slack. And here you just simply click the three dots towards the right and click on remove. Now, if you go back to Slack, you can just simply refresh it and then you will go back to your account on the lower left hand side, which I'll do here in a moment. Then go to the preferences and as you can see, it is now triggering asking to enable, but the notifications is turned off. So you'd have to enable it once more. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.